Baking soda is not just for cooking. It can be used for cleaning and has many uses in the laundry room. One use is that some people use baking soda as a safer alternative to bleach. Baking soda can also be used to whiten clothes that can't be bleached. So how to use baking soda for whitening clothes? Baking soda can be used to whiten clothes in many ways. You can mix some in water and soak the clothes in it. Mix it with hydrogen peroxide and water to create a whitening stain remover. You can also pour it directly into the washing machine drum to whiten clothes while they wash. Finally, you can use baking soda and bleach to enhance the whitening properties. The method that will work best for you just depends on your needs and preferences. But I'll explain how to use baking soda to whiten clothes in all the above ways. I'll provide more details about each method and other information you need to know about using baking soda for whitening clothes. Now that you know that baking soda is effective at whitening clothes, how do you use it correctly? There are a few ways that you can use baking soda to whiten clothes. It just depends on your laundry needs and preferences. One of the best ways to whiten clothes using baking soda is to create a baking soda soak. This method is great for whitening clothing that can't be washed in a washing machine, or if white clothing has started to get a yellow tint. To do this, 1. Fill a sink or bucket with warm water. 2. Add about a quarter cup of baking soda to the water and mix it until it dissolves. 3. Add the clothes you are trying to whiten into the water and let them soak for several hours. When you feel the clothes are ready to come out, rinse them thoroughly or launder them, if necessary. You can repeat this process as often as you like until you get the results you want, or until the clothing is as white as you can get it. If you just need to remove some small stains on white clothing, you can try using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide together. Both of these products have whitening properties when used individually, and you can use them together even more effectively. Mix equal parts baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and water in a bowl. Mix them until you've created a paste. If it's too watery, add more baking soda until the paste-like consistency is reached. Spread a quarter-inch thick layer of the paste onto the stained area. Let it sit for up to an hour or until the paste has dried. Use a soft bristled brush to brush off the paste. Then, wash the clothing as usual. Again, repeat this method as often as necessary until the desired results are achieved. One of the easiest ways to use baking soda to whiten clothes is to add it directly into the washing machine when you wash clothes. You can do this even if you've already done either of the above methods. Add about half a cup of baking soda directly into the washing machine drum for small to medium-sized loads. For large loads, you can use up to 1 cup of baking soda. Then just add your clothing and wash the clothes as you normally would. If you normally use bleach to whiten clothes, you can also use bleach along with it. Although some chemicals can't be used with bleach, it's safe to use bleach with baking soda. You can use them in the washing machine when washing a load of white clothing, towels, sheets, etc. Make sure to add them to the appropriate place in the washing machine. Add half a cup of bleach to the bleach dispenser. You don't want to pour it directly onto the clothes. Then, add half a cup of baking soda to the drum and start the cycle. As the clothes are washed, the two will work together to whiten your clothes. Baking soda helps to reduce the smell while boosting the whitening power of bleach. So there you have it. Baking soda can whiten clothes as a safer alternative to bleach, or can even be used with bleach. There are several ways to use baking soda, including creating a soak, removing stains, or even using it directly in the washing machine. I hope this guide helped you learn how to use baking soda for whitening clothes effectively. Feel free to share it with others who might find it helpful.